Hey there, you guys. Well, is that time of year for the North Carolina statewide tornado drill for 2023. But before I get into what I have set up, I'm on the phone with
TFSO phone.
Cool. So I do have two fire alarm notification devices. The first one I have is a system sensor SW alert remote strobe that's hooked up to the Recom weather radio on the wall right there, and it's set on 75 candela. And the Blue Gentex Commander 3, I have that one hooked up to the WR 120, and the tone that I have it selected to is whoop on high volume, and the strobe is set on 30 candela. So it's time for this 2023 North Carolina statewide tornado drill, which will go off in 5 minutes. So it's currently 9:25 right now. And also, I do have my second camera, which is my previous iPhone, on a tripod that's focused on the TV in the living room, which will also go off with the emergency alert system a couple minutes after my radio. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera right now, and I will be back here shortly. So be sure to stay tuned now. So I'll be back. There goes.
This test is being conducted in conjunction with the North Carolina tornado drill. This drill is conducted annually to allow schools, businesses, emergency managers, and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. This practice tornado drill will remain in effect until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be a follow-up statement issued. Schools and businesses participating in the tornado drill should exercise their severe weather safety plans now. This test also serves as the emergency alert system required monthly test for March. Broadcasters, in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities, have developed this system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the statewide tornado drill and test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service for the following county, Greene, North Carolina. Prompt advisory in effect from 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. Thursday.
So how was that, Florida?
That was amazing. That's what's going to happen in my room in just some time.
Cool. So that was a statewide tornado drill for my radio. So I'm gonna have a clip coming up here shortly of the emergency alert system coming on TV. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And once again, I'm on the phone with
TFSO phone.
Cool. So that was the 2023 North Carolina statewide tornado drill. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.
Ciao, folks.
This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This test is being conducted in conjunction with the North Carolina tornado drill. This drill is conducted annually to allow schools, businesses, emergency managers, and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. This practice tornado drill will remain in effect until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be no follow-up statements issued. Schools and businesses participating in the tornado drill should exercise their severe weather safety plans now. This test also serves as the emergency alert system required monthly test for March. Broadcasters, in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities, have developed this system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the statewide tornado drill and test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.